What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here. Today I've got the Google Pixel stand and I'm going to unbox it and I'll do some quick shots and show you how it works. So let's get started. So as we can see, we have the box. It's a pretty blank box actually. Oh, we'll just pick it back up. And you can see that it's a fast wireless charger that unlocks personalized experiences. Nice. And there's my serial number. All right, let's unbox it. This is quite hard to open actually. There we go. I suspect there may be some extra seal that I've missed, but I'm not seeing it. Maybe I just have to pull hard. Oh, there we go. It's certainly not like the Apple product unboxings. There we go. There's the stand itself. And it looks like it's got USB-C for charging. That's pretty nice to see. So we'll put it down. See what else is in the box. QR code. Interesting. So we got some paper manuals. So this one says, plug it in, charge your phone, and talks about safety, if you want to read that. Oh, don't expose to above 45°C. Well, in Australia, it's a bit hard. Can get to that temperature outside. Okay. And we'll go to the next page. Oh, very nice. I love reading legal documentation. Very my favorite thing. And here's the charger. It's a stock standard Pixel phone one, so it's 18 watts, 5 volt, 3 amps, or 9 volt at 2 amps. And this is an extra long USB-C cable. It's longer than the one that comes in the Pixel phone box. I believe according to this box, it is, well, it doesn't actually say. Well, I know it's longer, that's all I can say. Let's find out how long it really is. I'm not a fan of that. That didn't open anywhere near how I expected it to. Maybe this one will be better. Oh, that's how it's supposed to go. Oh, much better. There's another one. There's 4. I need to learn a lesson from Apple and only do 2. Alright. Yeah, it's a long cable. So long that my cat can play with it. Okay, maybe not. So I've gone ahead and plugged in the stand, and I have a Pixel 3, and I'm going to plug it in and we'll see what happens. Well, I'm not plug it in, we'll put it on the stand. Alright, do more while charging. Next. Let's do that. And we'll turn on, add some smart lights to the mix. Yeah, I'll agree to that. Yeah, yep, we'll do that. We won't do sunrise alarm. Well, that's pretty cool. That's a photo frame. As you can see, we get home lighting control. Kind of cool, you get like a big screen view for your music. That's pretty cool. And I don't know how you get the lighting controls back. I don't know how I feel about this product, to be honest. For $119, I don't know. It works, but I feel like you can do all these things just on a normal charger. And it seems kind of buggy. I don't know. That's handy. Tell me when it's time to bed. But if I'm putting the phone on the charger, I probably know it's time for bed already, right? Oh, there's the photo frame. But it's just slow. Like, it takes a while, hey? What is this? We've got an orange light. Ugh. Boo. It's not working as it should. So this is an iPhone. It looks like it'll charge on the Pixel stand as well. And you can see the Face ID scanning. Pretty trippy. That's cool. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. I'm going to be unboxing the XDR display very soon, so that will be up here once that's done. And anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Hopefully you're staying safe in Australia if you're in lockdown. Otherwise, peace out. See you guys for the next one.